The way to attach a fold over crimp to a leather cord is fairly easy. What you will need is obviously the fold over crimp, leather cord, and flat nose pliers and chain nose pliers. So some people like to put a blob of glue inside of the fold over crimp, so you can do that if you want. And then once it's that you've got it flat down, then you can just gently put it inside, and then you can just give it a little squeeze the sides in gently, bringing them together like that. So once you're happy with it, you can pick up your chain nose pliers and very gently bring it in like that, and then pick up your flat nose pliers, open it, and very gently squeeze it together. Yeah, I think I'll bring it in a little bit more, slowly like that. Squeeze the sides in very gently like that, and then turn it around, put it in, and gently squeeze it like that. So you will have, make sure it's nice and tight on. So you've got it at both ends. And if you want to put on a lobster clasp and the jump rings, then you'd pick up, you need 2 jump rings and 1 lobster clasp, and then with the jump ring you'd pick up your chain nose pliers and just open it. Pick up your chain nose pliers and your flat nose pliers and just gently open it across like that, and pick up one side and thread it in the hole, and then close it together. And then just bring it together like that. So it's together. And then go to the other side. Pick up your other jump ring. Open it like so. Thread on your lobster clasp. Like that. And then thread on the other side of the crimp. Like that. Then close it. By just gently bringing it together. Making sure that you've closed that clamp. That you've closed that gap. So all you have to do is put it together like that. So it should look like this. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, and I will link other jewellery making technique videos below.